Hi and welcome to the Insolvency Experts. I'm Steve Kugel. If you receive a director penalty notice, how should you respond to it? A director penalty notice can be issued by the ATO and may be issued to any or all of the current or past directors that were in control of the company when the tax debt was incurred. Where all BAS lodgements are up to date, with no lodgements 3 months past the due date, a director penalty notice will provide directors with a 21-day grace period to decide on one of 4 choices to deal with the outstanding tax debt. If a director selects and finalises any one of the 4 choices within the 21-day grace period, they will avoid personal liability for the company tax debt, but as there are pitfalls and potential traps, I encourage you to watch my other videos that deal with an ATO tax debt. In brief, the choices are: pay the debt in full, agree to pay the debt by instalments, appoint an administrator, or appoint a liquidator. The 21-day grace period allowed by the director penalty notice starts from the date on the director penalty notice itself, not the date it's received, and there are absolutely no extensions to this time frame. This means that if a director fails to achieve one of the stated options within the 21 days, they will be personally liable for the unpaid PAYG and unpaid superannuation debt of the company, no exceptions. This means that the ATO can commence action against the director personally, who could lose assets including the house, the cars, the investment properties, etc. And in the very worst case, this can even lead to bankruptcy. If you receive a director penalty notice, you must act immediately to avoid facing personal liability. Call the Insolvency Experts 24 hours a day for free expert advice about your specific circumstances. Call on 1300 767 525.